Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 of my go-to healthy meal prep meals. I've been doing meal prep on and off for several years now, whether it was to help me lose weight or honestly this past year I've used it a lot to help me lose weight and to save me time, because having a baby, you don't want to come home from work and make dinner every single night, or you just don't want to make dinner every single night. So having meal prep ready to go can help me relax and stay on track with everything that I'm doing. So let's jump into the recipes. This recipe is a taco salad. You're just going to need 2 pounds of ground turkey, 1 can of corn, and 1 can of black beans. And then you're going to choose your toppings. I'm using red onion, cherry tomatoes, and some cheese. And then you're going to choose your lettuce, and I'm just using a baby spinach lettuce that's also baby spinach and spring mix. I really love this stuff. And I'm also using non-fat Greek yogurt as a sour cream replacement, along with some salsa. I did forget to mention that I am using a taco seasoning to season my meat. This is a homemade taco seasoning. I will leave the recipe down in the description box. I just started by browning my ground turkey. And you really have to crumble this stuff up a lot more than ground beef. It takes a lot more work to do that. I'm also just going to add some salt and pepper to taste. I wait for my meat to be nice and brown before I add my taco seasoning, because that can really change the color and make it deceiving. So I just poured both my corn and my black beans into a colander and rinsed them really well, and then I'm going to add them to my taco meat mixture. So in my containers, I'm only adding my veggies and lettuce and toppings like cheese. I don't want anything to get soggy or wilted. These containers are 1 cup in size, and I'm going to add my meat and corn bean mixture into these separately and store them separately. This just ensures that my lettuce and veggies don't become soggy. Doing these extra steps for meals like this will make it so much easier to just grab and throw into your lunchbox and head off to work. My husband doesn't do this, but I like to also put my salsa and sour cream or yogurt into a small container as well to take with me. And here we have everything all packed up and ready to put in the refrigerator. Like I said, this is my stack, and then the front ones are my husband's. And I just wanted to point out that this recipe made enough for this much left over, and we're actually having this for dinner tonight. So my second recipe is an Asian chicken over a cauliflower fried rice. So you just need 2 chicken breasts. For the chicken, you're going to need oyster sauce, garlic powder or fresh garlic, and also roasted sesame seeds, and those are optional. On the side, I'm going to put these yummy stir-fry vegetables from Costco. You can find these anywhere, but I just love this Costco one. Then I also got my riced cauliflower from Costco. This is what I had left over. This is like the third time I've used this. There's a ton in there. To go in my fried rice, I just have peas and carrots. And then I'm also going to grab 1 egg and some soy sauce. I'm going to start off by heating some vegetable oil in a pan. You can use whatever oil you choose to in this recipe. I like to get my pan pretty hot and then get my chicken going. After that is cooked pretty well, I add my oyster sauce. This particular brand is so good. And after I got my oyster sauce all stirred in and my chicken is cooked through, I add my frozen veggies to the top, add a lid, and let them cook through. Oh, and add a little soy sauce. So now I'm going to show you the cauliflower fried rice. You can do this while you cook your chicken, or you can do it after. Definitely put some oil down if you are using a metal pan like this. I don't know what I was thinking, I completely forgot. It worked out okay, but make sure you oil your pan. After my egg is cooked through, I'm going to add my frozen riced cauliflower, and then I'm going to add my frozen peas and carrots, and a little bit of soy sauce. I don't like very many things where cauliflower is impersonating another food, like cauliflower pizza crust or cauliflower mashed potatoes. Those are not good to me, but cauliflower fried rice is really freaking good. Like, I almost can't even tell the difference. And there you have your beautiful cauliflower fried rice. I'm just going to divvy these up equally into my containers and also onto our plates, because this is what we're having this evening. If you like Japanese steakhouses, this stuff is so good. It's yum yum sauce. So this last one isn't actually a recipe, it's a rotisserie chicken from Costco. These are only $4.99 and they're huge. They're like the size of the big ones at Walmart. Pick a side. I like to do white rice and then pick a vegetable. Carrots work for me, and this is the easiest meal prep meal you can do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing by clicking that button down below. I definitely plan on having more meal prep ideas coming soon, so stay tuned. Thanks.